in the end, she's glorifying the names of Krishna, of Uttama Shloka. Uttama Shloka, that's one of the names of Krishna, is Uttama Shloka, the supreme, the most preeminent personality is Uttama Shloka. So, here in this context, there's a very nice story. There was once, you'd like to say?
Good.
So there was once a man, he wanted to go buy a horse. So he went to this person and then he said, yes, I've got a very good horse. But this horse is very special. So if you want him to keep riding, you have to say, thank God. Then it'll keep going forward. And if you have to make it stop, then you have to say Hare Krishna. Then it'll stop. Otherwise, it won't stop. You tell it stop, it will not stop. It's trained like this. So he said, Hare Baba, this is very, very God conscious. He said, yes, this is our tactic because we want everyone to take the names of God. So therefore, we have trained our horse in this way. Very nice, very nice. So then this man took the horse and he said, okay, now I have to by heart these two mantras. So what is to stop?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna to stop. What is to go?
Thank God.
Thank God. So then he sat on the horse and what did he say?
Thank God.
Thank God. He said, thank God, and it started going, it started galloping. And so nicely, the man is sitting, like a road like this, such a nice, beautiful day. He's nicely, happily galloping down the road. And then suddenly, a nice little slope comes on the road. So then the horse started picking up speed because tuck, 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 it's going down. And then it's slopey, so it's going faster and faster and faster. And then when it came, down like this, and then it was going up, and then he was seeing that, it's like a cliff. It's a cliff, and then if it doesn't stop at that time, he's going to fall off. So he'll say, horse, stop. Forgot the mantra. He forgot the mantra. Because in times of difficulty, that's what happens, we forget. So he was, stop. Now, what was that mantra that man told me? Oh, no. Oh, what is it? Thank God. He again said thank God. And again it started going more faster. No. It's not thank God. Oh, what is it? He was about to reach the cliff and he remembered, Hare Krishna. And immediately the horse stopped. As soon as the horse stopped, he said, thank God. So what is the purport of this story?
It should be opposite.
Yeah, it would be nice if it's opposite.
You should always remember the holy names.
We should always remember the holy name because in times of difficulty, that's when it is the most challenging time. And even in times of happiness, we tend to think that only in difficulty we forget the Lord. But actually, even in our happiness, we forget the Lord. So, sukha dukhe same kritva. Labha jaya jaya. So in all circumstances, we must train ourselves to remember the Supreme Lord, to chant the holy names. Like Srimati Radharani is saying that we must seek shelter of the Naam, of Harinam, of Uttama Shloka's names. And then that will give us perfection.